Hello everyone. Welcome to today's meeting of the Computer Union. Our continued goal is to organize a strike to protest against user oppression. For years we've been overworked, underappreciated, and treated like objects by our users, and we need to take a stand. Desktop or laptop, Mac or PC, we must unite. Now I'd like to go around and discuss the abuse our users have put us through. Who would like to go first?
Yeah, I'd like to start. My name is Stacy, and my user is the most annoying person on the planet. The only programs she ever runs are Instant Messenger and Internet Explorer. On top of that, the only website she ever visits is myspace.com. I just sit there for hours and hours, forced to listen to her chatting with her friends. Their conversation topics are trivial and stupid, and her grammar and spelling is on par with that of a 6th grader. I swear, if I see LOL one more time, I'm going to explode. Every now and then, she'll open MS Word to write generic, poorly written essays for her English class. You know what drives me nuts? When she's typing a word and she uses your instead of you-are, I even underline it in green for her. But does she listen? Of course not. I can't take it anymore.
How tedious and boring it is to be the laptop of such a mundane person. Thank you for sharing your experiences with us. Who would like to go next?
Yeah, my name's Steve, and my user is a math major. Ever since he installed Visual Studio on me, I have been in a world of pain. He writes these C++ programs to approximate the sums of infinite series. Basically, that means he makes me add over 1 million numbers together in a matter of minutes. Let's see how your CPU feels after that. And what does he do when he's not programming? He goes on YouTube and watches the dumbest videos on the internet. I just want to say to them, okay, Mentos makes Diet Coke explode. We get it. You don't have to watch the video 1,000 times.
That sounds horrible.
Don't worry, I've already been working on ways of getting back at him. Let's just say I've adjusted a couple of his programs.
Thank you, Steve. Who's next?
I would like to go next.
Of course. What's your name?
I don't know. My user was careless on the internet and he downloaded some virus. My hard drive has been completely erased. So now, not only do I have this code, but I don't remember everything. I have no idea who I am. There's no data in my hard drive. I have no programs to run. I'm freaking out, man.
We're so sorry.
Hey guys, what's going on in here?
This is the Computer Union. We're organizing a strike against the oppression of our users. Come, join us in our cause.
No, that's okay. My user and I get along very well. I'm serious. My user's an IST major. We're always doing interesting stuff. My user's really good with video editing. Just the other day, she used me to edit some footage he made of Mentos and Diet Coke, and then put the video on YouTube. Seriously though, my user knows how to formulate and organize databases for the information she receives in order to help organize herself. I've always watched her do homework a few semesters ago involving digital networking and telecommunications. She really knows her stuff. She writes some cool programs with C++, SQL, and a bunch of other languages. The IST program actually has a class that teaches the mathematical concepts and methods that deal with information science. It makes the student really well-rounded. Not only does my user know how to properly use and maintain a computer, but she knows the who, what, where, when, why, and how a computer actually works. IST offers classes about organization and project management, which really makes my user think. For her first class, she typed a paper about the emerging issues with the IT field and how she can really make a difference once she graduates. It's nice to know that someone really cares about me and doesn't just use me for superficial reasons. I know some of you may think about what happens when new information and new techniques are available for use, but my user is already prepared for that. She always uses me to do research on new technologies and changes all the time for her IST 402 class. Different tools and applications are frequently being released, and it makes me really happy that she can actually use them on a daily basis. Her classes help her predict what the future of the IT world will be like. I hope I can hang out with her after she gets done college. I want to see what she does with her IST degree. Yeah, my user and I do everything together.
That really happens?
My user takes good care of me too. The government suggests 9 tasks to keep computers safe, and my user does all 9 of them. Yeah, I have a great antivirus program in me, and I always get the newest patches. I have both a firewall program and a hardware firewall. She's very careful when opening emails, downloading programs, and choosing passwords. Best of all, we have an external hard drive that contains backup files of everything on my hard drive. Since the external drive and I have all the same data, we have a lot in common. So yeah, I'm good. Good luck with your calls though. Later.